We have 2 lip boxes. That's Latest in Beauty. I got 2. If you want to see what I got in my boxes, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. I'm really excited about introducing a new beauty box to my channel. This is called the LiB Box. That's short for the Latest in Beauty box. So just a little bit of information about this box in case you've never heard of it before. The LiB Box is a monthly beauty box subscription that puts you in control. Personalize your beauty box and choose 6 beauty products you want to try each month. Browse hundreds of products on the LiB Box Beauty Counter with new products landing every month. The LiB Box is a beauty box with a difference, no unwanted items, no wasted products. You take control. It's your box, your beauty, your choice. This will cost you £12.95 a month, and there is a £3.95 delivery charge as well. You can cancel a subscription at any point. I went online, picked my first items. I wanted a box full of kind of makeup items. So I was more than a little shocked and surprised and disappointed when I opened my box and received beauty items. Not to say there's anything wrong with these beauty items, but they certainly were not the ones that I had chosen, given the fact that the LiB website is kind of saying that you can pick what you want and it will be in your box. I have literally nothing in my box that I chose. I contacted customer services via email. They got back to me within 24 hours. They don't know what happened. They apologised and they sent me out another box with my new chosen 6 items. I was able to keep the original box, plus I got £6.50 refund. Let's look at this one first. This is the one I didn't want. So clearly, I think my box must have maybe got mixed up with somebody else's. The first product here is a full-size hand sanitizer. Obviously, this is really handy right now, and I'll probably leave this one in my car so the whole family can use it. Second item, again, I was quite happy actually to get this. This is called an illuminating serum. It retains moisture and plumps. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. So this is a nice serum. Looks amazing. I see myself using this. So it looks like that. Who's it by? Can I see who it's by? Oh, it's okay. So it's Korean. Got one of these little droppers. I'm going to pop some on the back of my hand and let's have a look. Don't like the smell. I put it on, but I can't actually see how that is eliminating my skin at all. The next item is by Wixen. And this is Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. 7 ml of product. It brightens and revives. Very little. Let's have a quick look inside. It's going to have a safety tab on it. Yes, it does. I'm not going to take it off. I will use it pretty much straight away just to get rid of it. But yeah, try that. Item number 4. This again I was quite happy to receive as well. This is by Skin Chemist London. It's a 50 ml product. Okay, so it comes in a tube. I haven't had a peel off mask on for absolute ever. Well, it comes out clear. It's like a kind of a pinky colour. I wouldn't say there's any smell there of rose whatsoever. Good thing for some people, because like I say, some people don't like the smell of rose. It doesn't bother me. Next we have, this is by Evelyn Rose. This is Soft Touch Face Foam. Oh, sorry, it's by Crabtree and Evelyn. I like their products a lot. So that's that. Oh, that's come out as a gel as well. Oh my God. That does smell nice actually. I look forward to that. Right, what else have we got? Oh, we got these. This is not something that I will use. My grandson might. He kind of likes this sort of stuff. I don't know why. But yeah, he can have them. So it's literally one of those eye mask things that you put on at night with little eyelashes on them. But it's in blue, so I'm sure he'll like that. I've already got one of these in like a pink silk colour that I got from, I think, another subscription box. I can't quite remember. So just to recap, we got the eye mask sleep mask, whatever you want to call it. Hand sanitizer, which is always handy to have. We have a face wash by Crabtree and Evelyn. We have this illuminating serum by OK. I hope this works because I just couldn't see anything on my hand, so I'm a little bit disappointed if it doesn't kind of show up. We also have this peel off mask by Skin Chemist London, which I'm looking forward to trying. And finally we have the, what was this again? Oh, the cleanser by Ole Henriksen, if I'm pronouncing that right. So let me know what you thought of those 6 items. Don't forget, these were not my choices whatsoever, but I'm quite happy that the choices are okay actually. Now for the box that were my choices. The first thing I chose was by Sport Fix. It's a highlighter palette, or 3, which is pretty nice. So you get a gold highlighter here, you get the champagne colour here, and there's like a pink tone here, and with a lovely size mirror as well. So I quite like that. I'm not going to swatch it because I'll probably give that in a future giveaway, to be honest. I then chose a, oh my god, Precise eyeliner. What's this? Really heavy actually. Wow, I like this. It's like a gold pen type. It just says, oh my god, eyeliner. That's very black. I wouldn't say the tip of it was the finest tip I've ever seen in the world, but certainly be okay to use. This is by Zoeva. We have a Sweet Relief and Simply Delicious, and I think they are blusher and highlight. So yeah, I think I'll keep that and pop it in a future giveaway. Right, next we have, this is by Inika. Healthy is Beauty. This is an organic radiant glow to helps to revitalize skin vibrancy and glow. So like this. It's a very, very small tube. Can't see how many mils in it, but I'm guessing probably 5. Things aren't like this. Put this in. Nothing there. Oh, God, I probably used it all now. I actually can't see absolutely anything there. So I'm not feeling that. Next we have, this is by Me. This is a highlighter. It's like a liquid one, which I quite like. Should pop some on. I'm sorry, that's my neighbour's dog, and my neighbour has just come out and told the dog to stop barking. Do you know, I buy these highlighters and stuff, but I always go back to my favourite one, which is the Ofra highlighter. Okay, well, that's that. We also have a Laura Mercier lipstick. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway because I have one of these and I checked yesterday and they are the same colour. So let me show you mine. It's a pretty pink colour and it's a matte formula. I've worn it a couple of times and that is the colour there. This is quite pretty, quite matte. So just to recap, the Laura Mercier little lipstick sample size, the Zoeva blush and highlighter. We have the Sport FX highlighter. That's 3, the quad. We have a eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. We have the Inika Glow, apparently. Maybe I maybe need to shake it. I don't think I shook it. And we have these as well. Again, I don't think I shook this either. Okay, so that's my 6 choices. So I did actually get everything that I chose from my second selection. All in all, I think they're good boxes. I would definitely keep this subscription. I'm not sure how long I'd keep the subscription because although they do have quite a lot of selection on there, obviously if you're going to be with them for a while, although they're kind of saying that they do replenish items as well, I do feel like you're probably going to run out of the things that you actually do want to try. So for now, I'm going to keep it and try the things I want to try, and then look at it in a couple of months' time to see whether I want to continue with the subscription. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up, tell me your thoughts on these boxes, and tell me whether you've tried the Latest in Beauty box before. Till we speak again, please, please, please take care of yourselves and each other, and bye for now. Take care, bye.